When one is happy, one is not bothered about faith. Faith is there, you take it for granted. When one is unhappy, then you tend to lose the faith. When you're unhappy, that is when the faith gets shaken. When you're happy, you don't bother about the faith at all. It's there, it's not there, you don't even notice it. And when you are miserable, you tend to lose the faith. That is when you need it all the most. Correct? So the whole skill is how to recognize the faith even when you are happy, and how not to lose it when you are unhappy. This is the challenge one has. Not to lose the faith, come what may, in the difficult times, and to recognize that there is faith when you are happy. These two things can make a big difference in your own life, in your own outlook to life, in the way you handle yourself. Yeah.
If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, comment and share. Subscribe to this channel for more.